Hey there, welcome to my channel, and welcome to Bonifacio Global City here in the Philippines, in Manila. And I kind of want to go around and do a little bit exploring and see what's around here. I had to look for a starting point, so I decided to start at this high street area and just kind of make my way around this vicinity and see what's going on. And it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, and I love seeing new places, and this is a new place, so follow me along in this little walking tour adventure, and let's go. Now this is where I'm going to begin my journey. Maybe stay in the central area or in the middle, that way I can get stuff on both sides. Looks like they're having some type of events going on. So any comments, please leave them below. I love to hear from anybody, and especially if you've actually been here, that would be great. Just on this one area that I'm on, I looked on the map and of the BGC just to see where I could start, and I didn't realize how big it was, but I thought this would be a great opportunity to see at least in this part. I just love the setting, and it is Sunday, so probably a lot more activity today. That's what I'm thinking. So cross the road and explore up this way. Same area. A lot of nice new high-rises. I'm not sure if they're hotels or condos, but I'm sure it's probably a mixture of both. And it is a photo-friendly spot. That's good to know. Definitely could use this today, being as warm as it's getting. I have no idea how long this particular area is, but again, one nice thing is it definitely has some good sun cover in it. So a good little walking tour has started rather well. Just crossed my next street. Stop a little bit and see where I'm going. Still head this way. Well manicured grass, clean places to eat, and of course this area is lots of shopping, plenty of it. Another view. Continue my track up to this road. So I've come out to the probably the other end of this high street. So what I plan on doing is I'm actually making a right and head down this way and see what's down here. I mean, I kind of want to get as much in as possible. I know it's a really big place, but as much on foot I can get, the better. They definitely have a lot of police up here. Looks like they're working the traffic or something, making sure people don't park illegally. Or had some nice cars. Nice. Is it a Porsche, maybe? So I'm actually probably right, as you can see, these are probably condominiums, which they look to me. The streets are well kept. I think it says what, 26th? Probably make a right up there. Not really going in any specific place, but maybe they'll get me back down to where I originally started from. That way I kind of get some of the outer areas. So this is 26th Street. Without pulling my Google map out, I'll head down this way. So tell me what you think about this video up here. I'd really appreciate it in the comments. Any comments really does help out my channel, and I love to explore and see new areas, and this is a pretty interesting place. So I actually came over to the south side of this street, so it kind of gives me a little bit of an idea where I'm at, but still continue on. Down this way. So actually today is my last day here in Manila before I head out to a new location here in the Philippines. So looking forward to that. I've only spent 2 days here. I got here on the 4th, only booked 3 nights until I moved to the new location. So I'm really cramped on seeing a lot here in Manila, although I wouldn't mind spending more time here, but I do want to get out and about and see some more on places that I have not been to. Actually coming up to where I was dropped off at, and what I think I'll do is grab another ride to another location here to save some time. Probably I should have gotten a scooter, huh? That's okay, maybe next time. Yeah, this is the 28th. So what I'll do is go grab another ride to a new location. So step 2, you head to Venice Plaza and go there. I'm waiting for my grab ride right now. It's a little bit far to walk, so I decided to get a grab over there. That way I can kind of concentrate more on that area. Just got dropped off here at Venice Grand Canal Mall, so we'll go in there and check that out. I kind of looked it up on Google, and it looks pretty neat place to visit, so let's go inside there and check it out. This is actually in a place called McKinley, so be another adventure inside. So this is the map of this place. You can see the how they got this canal wrapped around this plaza. This is a really cool concept. Doesn't seem to be that busy yet, so I'm glad I came now. I don't think I could have walked from where I was at BGC to get here. It would have been a little bit long. Probably would have taken me at least over an hour, so I saved some time. They have a lot of nice restaurants alongside. I guess it's kind of like being in Italy. Having been there a few times myself, it's got that definite feeling to it. So there's some folks enjoying the ride. Definitely need an umbrella though. That sun really beats down on you. 8 ounces around here. Nice setting though, really nice. Looks like this is the turnaround spot. So I'm gonna kind of go around to the turnaround. Kind of goes in like a little bit of a loop. So tell me what you think about this Canal mall. I think it's pretty neat. Let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate it. I'm having a great time today. That's pretty amazing. This is interesting. Very neat. There is a lot to this place. Just another entrance. Here's another view of it from this end. So this is the end of this video of my little walking tour over there at BGC, which was a lot of fun, kind of exploring around. And also went to the Venice Mall and looked at that. That's on McKinney, I believe. But overall, a great day. But now, time to go back and edit this video. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Philippines.